Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over my Sprizzy Ad Campaign. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to your boy Yon World. Now, on this video, I want to share the results from my Sprizzy campaign. I told y'all at the start of 2020, I was going to begin promoting and improving my YouTube channel, improving my titles, improving my thumbnails, working with YouTube advertisement, because I was going over the back end and I got over 17 million impressions, but I only got 2.3 million views last year. So I want to improve on that. My channel had a lot of potential for success last year, and I just want to take it to another level this year. So one of my tools that I'm using on that path to success is Sprizzy. Now, it's a good time to join Sprizzy. They just dropped they minimum campaign requirement. Now it's only $25. It was $30 when I got started, but it's $25 now. So, I'm gonna have a link in the description if you thinking about promoting, taking your YouTube channel to the next level. But in this video, I'm about to share some tips with y'all on how to do this and why Sprizzy is beneficial and what to use it for. Now, Sprizzy works directly with Google ads, YouTube ads. If anybody knows, if anybody looking up that question, and anybody that has that question about Sprizzy, just looking it up, it works directly with YouTube ads. What they do, basically, they have a Google ads account, and you grant them permission to your account to pull your videos and run ads. And when you go back in the YouTube analytics, you can actually see that all of the views are coming from YouTube advertising. So I'm gonna show y'all my complete results from the campaign, and we're gonna go over everything in this video. So make sure you stick around and watch the whole video. So as you know, when I first started this campaign, I was editing the back end and I deleted it. So this is the first one. That's why that one grayed out. But this is the campaign we're focusing on right here. And it's finished now, and I got 3,900 views, and I spent $30. So you know what I'm saying? Basically about $10 per thousand. A little bit more, more or less. But I want to show y'all the complete, results of it, and tell y'all how I'm going to keep doing this. Now, with YouTube ads, when you running a YouTube ad for your channel, for your business, for your product, whatever it is, you can have a long video. There's no requirement on a video length, time length. You can have a long video, but I recommend having a video at least 1 minute. Like, if you have make an ad for real. Like, just make a video for your advertisement, for your brand awareness, for your product, for what you're trying to promote. Right now, my goal, what my product is Yon World. I'm promoting my channel to bring brand awareness, to bring subscribers and views to my channel, to bring eyes to my channel, Yon World, because I believe I have a lot of valuable content. So I made this video targeting so-called spiritual YouTube channels, like channels that are people that just have an opinion. To me, like people with audiences that I believe would love to be aware of my content and everything. So I'm targeting them, and that's how I made this ad, like, beware of spiritual YouTube channels, just to kind of draw people in. And you see right here, we racked up 4,100 views, 4,000 views. You know what I'm saying? Off of this campaign, I already started. I had about 180 something. So racked up 4,000 views off the campaign. But when we look a little further, it ran yesterday on the 12th. Now, on January 12th, I gained 14 subscribers. So I gained 14 subscribers when this campaign was running. When we go into the back end analytics even further, we can see that the audience retention, they stayed. Like, my video is 53 seconds, and on average they watch it for 49 seconds. So I was getting a lot of people to watch, through the advertisement before they clicked on the video. So that's good. And let's see, what was the percentage? 30% of people watched the whole thing. So that's what's up. But you see all my real-time activity yesterday. The campaign, it ran from 4 to 5, well, from 4 to 6 p.m. my campaign ran, and I gained all those views. And you see right here my top traffic sources, YouTube advertising. So like I said, if you had any questions about Sprizzy, they run all of their ads through YouTube. Like any video you upload and you promote with Sprizzy, it's going to run through YouTube ads. So make sure you use the right keywords. Use Google Keyword Planner. I got to make a whole video about that, but it's just a lot of things I'm learning. But you want to have the right keywords. You want to have the right target audience, and you want to make a video that's a minute. You know what I'm saying? Because they're watching this before an actual video. So it'll be a skip ad button, you know, and like if you watch 30 seconds of the video, it's considered like a click. So yeah, but it's your boy. No, something else I want to talk about. Hold on, something else I want to talk about. For those people out there making longer videos, now for longer videos, you want to go to Google. You want to go to Google Ads directly, you know, and you want to set up an account, and you want to create discovery ads. You want to create discovery ads so that they show up in the search results. So that means like when you searching for a video on YouTube, like let's just type in law of attraction real quick. When you searching for a video on YouTube, you will see it like it'll be like one of the first results. And I got a lot going on my YouTube account. As you can see, I got a lot of tools enabled. That vidIQ, y'all need to get that. You know, this is secrets to the game. But you will see like it'll be, if somebody was running an ad right now for the keyword law of attraction, this first video would be that ad. You know, it'll show up as a video in the search results, and people click on it that way. And for longer videos, like any video over 10 minutes, which I recommend you create all videos over 10 minutes on YouTube. You know, every video should be 10 minutes. The only videos that should be shorter are videos that you want to do as ads. So with this video, I'm gonna continue using Sprizzy and continue promoting this ad specifically. I'm gonna continue promoting this ad through Sprizzy and continue growing this video and bringing brand awareness through this video, through this campaign. And I like the results I got from Sprizzy. So if y'all thinking about promoting your YouTube channel, I recommend going directly through Sprizzy, man. Like I said, all of the traffic came through YouTube advertising. If we go back, let's just go back. I'm gonna pause that, but y'all see, you know, I got 14 subscribers from this campaign, 4,000 views. So, you know, I just believe this is the method. Like when you are starting a YouTube channel, say if you don't have no subscribers, nobody know you, nothing, I think the first thing you should do is make a YouTube ad and use Sprizzy. You know, just make a 1 minute video, even if it's your channel introduction, like whatever it is, if it's a music video, whatever it is, you know, just showing who you are, like explaining who you are in a way, in your own creative way. I believe that's the first thing you should do. And from that point on, create content that's longer than 10 minutes. Every video should be longer than 10 minutes. Like, you know, whatever you got to do to stretch them, you know, if you got to think about it, you know, a little bit first, if you got to plan it out, you know, if you got to just talk about an extensive topic where you covering a lot of stuff, you know, it's good. Like YouTube like that. YouTube like when you keep people on there like 10 minutes or more. If you can do 20-minute videos, 30-minute videos, go right ahead. But at 10 minutes, YouTube consider you a TV show. They consider you a network. So you gotta, you get more monetization privileges and your watch time get up higher, and you need subscribers and watch time when you starting out on YouTube. So I'm gonna continue to use this ad through Sprizzy. You know, it worked for me. These are my results, as y'all can see. 4,000 views, YouTube advertising. You see my traffic source. It came directly through YouTube advertising. Everything happened yesterday. Sprizzy, the campaign status is finished. So yeah, y'all did a good job. Shout out to Sprizzy. Shout out to any developers or the owner. Y'all happen to watch this video. Great company, great concept. I'm gonna continue to work with y'all all year, and we're gonna see how big we can get this video. $30. We already got 3,000, so I'm gonna put some more money definitely ASAP. And just see how big we can make this channel, Yon World, and how big we can, do it, and we're gonna do it in a smart way. So y'all see, I said this a Google ad. I deleted it by accident, but yeah, it's your boy Yon World. And something I want to mention too. Once you monetize and you run, see, I'm about to get monetized this month. Like I had went through something, but I reapplied. They about to approve me in a couple of days. But when you run an ad, and you monetize it, you can get AdSense revenue too. So it's like you're getting some of your investment back. So investing in yourself really pay off because you always get something back. So that's what I want to throw in. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.